crawl your right foot. 4 sounds. Ball, heel, tap, heel. Then your left foot's going to come in. Heel, toe, but I'm not going to put any weight on it. Crank crawl. Clank